Welsh Water isn't like other water companies. We're not for profit, so we invest every penny straight back into what we do, keeping your bills as low as possible. The vast majority of our customers pay us on time, but unfortunately, there are some who don't. This means that the rest of us have to pick up the tab, and we don't think that's fair. That's why we take action to recover money that's owed to us by people who can pay but choose not to. Now, we know that some people genuinely struggle to pay their bills, and if that's the case, we want to help. There are lots of options available if this is the case, such as our HelpU scheme for households with low incomes, which could cut your bill by up to half. What's not an option though is paying nothing at all. We share information with credit reference agencies, so if you pay late or don't pay at all, it can damage your credit rating, making it harder for you to get credit in the future, and we may have to take legal action against you. We don't like doing this because we know there are some serious consequences, but sometimes we have no choice. If we do take you to court, a judge could demand that your employer pays your debt directly from your wages, or that a bailiff could seize your possessions and sell them to recover the money you owe. If you own your own house, the judge could place a charge on your property for the amount that you owe. This secures the debt against your home and will affect your ability to remortgage. It also means that you will have to pay off the debt before selling your property. But please, please, don't let it get to this stage. If you owe us money or are struggling to pay, talk to us. In most cases, we can work things out together. We'll do all we can to help you get back on track. And that's better for you and fairer for all our customers. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.